Okay, so you want to find a table for a linear equation. Well, first of all, they can give you that linear equation as just an equation, 2x plus 3y equals 12. That's an equation. Or they could have it solved for y. Y equals 2x minus 3, or whatever form of the equation they want to give you. And all you're really doing when you're finding a table is you make a little xy table like this, and you're being asked for points. So if they were to, for instance, ask you for a point in this equation, I can put in any number I want for x and figure out what y has to be to make it work. So for instance, if I want to make x into a 6, now I can say x is 6, what does y have to be? And to make this equation work, I already have 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 times what equals 12. 12 plus 3y equals 12. Well, if I subtract 12 from both sides, 3y has to equal 0. And divide by 3, y still has to equal 0. So it's 0. So I found a point in my equation. Now, I'm going to remember 6 comma 0 and then just erase these. 6 comma 0 was a point. And now I'm going to pick another point. Now, I can pick anything I want. Let's say I want to make this into a 2. X, or make y into a 2. I could pick x to be 2 or y to be 2. I can pick any number I want to be x or y and figure out what the corresponding other value needs to be. So if y is 2, I'll put a 2 here, then I would say 2x plus 3 times 2 is 6 equals 12, and I'd solve it. Subtract 6 from both sides, 2x equals 6, x must equal 3, and so therefore it must be 3. So 3 comma 2, this right here represents 3 comma 2, the point on that graph. Now, if they give you a picture for the, and they want you to get a table out of it, well, and basically you're going to have to write the equation for it first, unless they happen to give you lots of points on the line. But if they give you a couple points, you can then get the equation, and once you have the equation, that's the easiest time to make your list of points. We usually ask you for 3 or 4 points in your table. All right, have a good day.